Welcome to zkCLOB, the most private order book exchange built with zero-knowledge technology. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to create a fully anonymous account. No email, no phone number, just you. To begin, visit zkCLOB.com and click the Trade Anonymously button in the top right corner. You'll be taken to the Trading Overview dashboard. From here, click the Register button to create your private account. Choose the full privacy option to register without sharing an email or wallet. This method ensures maximum anonymity and self-custody. Step 1. Enter a unique passphrase. This will generate your encrypted identity. Choose something secure and memorable. Next, create a strong password. This adds an extra encryption layer to your keychain. Step 3. Save your secret key. This is your only way to access your account. Save it somewhere safe and private. You're fully in control. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Your zkCLOB account is now live. You'll be redirected to your dashboard automatically. Welcome to private trading with no KYC, no email, no phone number, and complete control over your identity.